Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Evernote login issues, device and sync errors step by step clearly. To fix Evernote login issues, start by checking your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data if applicable. Next, confirm that you are entering the correct login credentials. Double-check your username and password for any typing errors. If you forgot your password, use the Forgot Password option to reset it. After resetting your password, attempt to log in again. If you still face issues, try logging in through a different browser or the mobile app. Clear your browser's cache and cookies if using a web browser. If the problem persists, update the Evernote app on your device. Visit the App Store or Google Play Store to check for available updates. You can also uninstall and reinstall the app as a fresh start. If you're experiencing sync errors, go to the app settings. Check for any sync settings that may need adjustments. Make sure you are signed in to the correct account where your notes are saved. Sometimes, logging out and then back into your account can resolve sync issues. For more persistent problems, check Evernote's status page for any ongoing. If there are no outages, consider reaching out to Evernote support for further assistance. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.